Ever wondered how the rich invest their money differently? Millionaire investors don't just save money, they make their money work for them. While most people rely on a paycheck, the wealthy use strategic investing to build wealth, protect their assets, and generate passive income. The good news? You don't need millions to start investing like the rich. You just need to understand their strategies and apply them to your own finances. One of the biggest secrets of millionaire investors is owning assets that appreciate over time. The rich don't just store money in savings accounts, they invest in stocks, real estate, businesses, and alternative assets that grow in value. This allows them to build wealth without actively working for every dollar. A key strategy they use is buying and holding quality assets for the long term. Instead of trying to time the market, they invest in index funds, dividend stocks, and real estate that generate returns over decades. Many millionaires follow the Warren Buffett approach, investing in companies with strong fundamentals and holding them for years. They understand that time in the market is more important than timing the market. Another secret is leveraging other people's money, OPM, to scale investments. The rich use bank loans, investor capital, and real estate financing to buy assets without using their own cash. This allows them to grow wealth faster while keeping liquidity available for new opportunities. Smart debt, such as mortgages for income-generating properties or business loans for expansion, can multiply wealth when used correctly. Millionaire investors also diversify their portfolios. They don't put all their money in one asset class. Instead, they spread their investments across stocks, bonds, real estate, commodities, and private equity. This reduces risk and protects their wealth from market downturns. Another key mindset is investing in cash flow assets. The rich don't just focus on appreciation. They also invest in rental properties, dividend stocks, royalties, and businesses that provide ongoing income. This allows them to maintain their lifestyle without relying on a paycheck. Tax efficiency is another critical factor. The wealthy take advantage of tax shelters, retirement accounts, and legal loopholes to keep more of their profits. Strategies like Roth IRAs, tax loss harvesting, and real estate depreciation allow them to grow wealth while minimizing tax burdens. One of the most overlooked secrets? Millionaire investors are always learning. They read books, study market trends, and surround themselves with other wealthy individuals. They don't gamble on risky investments. They make informed decisions based on research, data, and expert advice. If you want to invest like the rich, start by owning income-generating assets, thinking long-term, leveraging good debt, and minimizing taxes. You don't need millions to begin, just the right knowledge and discipline. The sooner you start investing wisely, the sooner you can build real, lasting wealth.